Wake up your taste buds with this breakfast flatbread featuring diced smoked ham, eggs, potatoes, and cheddar. First, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large non-stick skillet, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the ham and cook until the fat is rendered and the ham is crisp. It should take about 8 minutes. Remove the crispy ham onto a paper towel-lined plate. Next, add the onions to the pan, season with salt and pepper, and cook until very soft, about 10 minutes. Add the garlic and cook until just starting to brown. Deglaze the pan with a little water, then add the tomatoes and oregano. Cook until fragrant, about 2 minutes. Now we can get started on our flatbread. Brush the flatbread dough with some olive oil, and then spread it with the onion mixture. Sprinkle with most of the cooked ham and pepper jack, and spoon the ricotta in large dollops over the surface. Scatter the roasted potatoes over the flatbread. Top with the rest of the ham. Crack the eggs onto the flatbread so they're spaced evenly. Then, place the flatbread in the oven and bake for about 8 minutes. Broil the flatbread for 2 minutes until the edges are crisp, the cheese is melted and lightly browned, and the eggs are cooked. Season with salt and pepper. Cut the flatbread into 4 pieces and scatter the torn basil leaves and chives over the top, and serve immediately. So there you have it, our delicious breakfast flatbread featuring savory smoked ham, eggs, potatoes, and cheddar. Enjoy! Find this recipe and many more at ciaprochef.com/ham.